Hello, this is David Wales for Game Architecture. So this is the first check-in, so PA2. First, show you Space Invaders. So that's kind of what I got going on. This guy wasn't the original thing. This guy's just bouncing off the walls, changes directions. This guy grows, shrinks. Um, this guy goes up and down and rotates. They all kind of do their own thing. I got the hang of it. They just create pretty much did what you did and just assigned all their sprites and then modified them all in update. Nothing super fancy. And then for my second thing I did this week was I modified some of my manager stuff. I liked what you had done. I totally didn't even think to do a compare function that was abstract. And the dump node was very useful. So I have it going on here, and just kind of show that's working. So I'm creating a dad node manager, which is just a class that derives from manager and then implements some of the abstract functions and its own like pop front and push front. So in the program, I have it pushing 5 objects into the list, the active list. So here they are, all in the active, nothing on reserved because I had initiated the manager with 5 reserved. So when I pushed 5 on, it just took those reserved, put them on the active. After that, I dumped lists, so that's what this is. Then I pop front. So rabbit and fish in the second part are now on the reserved list right there, while bird, dog, and cat remain on the active. And then I printed, which is what this is. And then I push front. So the fish and rabbit are now on the active list again, but I reset them to a bird and rabbit. So now we have rabbit, bird, dog, cat. So the fish is gone, and then I printed it, so that's that. And then finally I pushed, but because there's nothing on the reserved list, it had to take the value of 2 here, which was the growing factor, I suppose, and it created 2 in the reserved list. This one is still in the reserved list, but then the other was pushed onto the active list as a rabbit. And that's how that works. So it seems to